Morning, guys. It's Friday, May 15th, and today is going to be day 2 of our summative. So let's see what else we are doing today. So you need to make sure that you are watching the video in Classroom 4. I went through your day 1 summatives and noticed that a lot of people were making a mistake that I addressed directly in the video yesterday. So that shows me that you really weren't watching the video or not paying attention to the video. And the reason for the video is for you to get the instructions and do the summative properly so you can get the best grade possible. So you need to go back and watch that video if you did not watch it yesterday, as well as watching the video today to make sure that you are doing your summative correctly. All right, so make sure that gets done. If you didn't do yesterday's part of the summative, day 1, that needs to be completed and completed correctly and handed in before you can start today, which is day 2. So make sure that is done and handed in under May 14th for the summative day 1, and then work on the summative day 2 and hand that in today. For the discussion, you're going to respond to the prompt and reply to 2 other students. The assignment today, like I said, is summative day 2. Hand that in. And then the fun activity. We're still doing our photo contest, so check out yesterday's winner in classroom number 4 and then see what you can come up with for your entry for today to see if your picture will be placed in our virtual classroom on Monday. Here is the virtual classroom for today. There we go. Here is our picture. Here is the link to the summative and the Google form saying that you did watch the video. Once that is done, go ahead to your summative and reread the instructions. There are 2 columns that you need to fill out. The first one is the questions column. For day 2, you're reading the civics source and the geography source, and your answers to these questions go in the question column right at the dash. The next column is the evidence column. This is where when you're reading the source, you're putting the details in there in your own words so that when you write your summative paragraph, you have that evidence to support your claim. You're also in quotation marks, put in quotations here so that you can use a possible direct quote in your summative paragraph. So your writing should be here to answer these questions, and then the details and quotations should be here. If that's not done that way for day 1, that needs to be redone and handed in, and then you can move on to day 2. Once that's done, hand it in to Unified Classroom, and then move on to the fun activity, and you are all set for the day. Good luck on your summative. Email me if you have any questions, and have a great weekend.